good, YouTube? Look, today I just want to walk y'all through the process of how I was able to make $3,000 trading today. Basically, I'm gonna just show y'all that whole process that I went through. And just like that, it's gonna be some real quick, short, and sweet for y'all. Just how I can put out some content for y'all. All right, boom. So this is what we did starting off the day. When I woke up around 8:50. As y'all can see right here, we marked off Monday's high point, we marked off Monday's low point. So since we got both of them parts marked up, basically if we break to the downside, I want to go short. If we break to the upside, I want to go long. Very simple explanation for that. So what we're going to do is go ahead and drag this up some more. So y'all see, since this is our low point, what we're going to do, we're just going to let this play out real quick. So boom. So right here, if we mark this out for y'all, I'm just going to do something real quick. Let's see. So this is Tuesday's high. We have Tuesday's low right here. All right, so since we do got both of them points, since we broke to the downside, like I said before, now I want to go short. So since I'm looking to go short, with this play, I was looking to use a intraday field. So that's basically using the 930 high low point, and whatever direction go in after that is basically where you're going to place your anchor. So for this example, we have our anchor down here. I'm using a 930 high as Tuesday's high. Only thing I want to happen right here is for us to come back up to the 618 area to be able to ride it back down to the 272 area. So if we let this play out some more, we got good pushes. I might actually drag this to the 1 minute. So y'all can actually see price action. So I don't really know what's going on, y'all. So I'm gonna actually use this little marker as the current price at the time, because I don't know if TradingView going through a little replay trading little thing messed up or what it is exactly. But we're gonna go ahead and use this. Actually, I might try it one more time and just see if it works. Okay, yeah, it's not working. Alright, yeah. So I don't know what's going on with that, y'all. But forget all that. We're just gonna do it like this. We still gonna get this out for y'all. Alright, so as y'all can see, from that low point that we marked off earlier in the day, we start riding this up all the way. So boom, right here we have our 618 entry. I'm gonna zoom out so y'all can see, which is right here. So with that 618 entry, I didn't enter as soon as the trade got placed. What I did, I wanted to wait for a retest on the 618 level or just get some kind of candle confirmation. And with this, I was able to get a little consolidation in the zone and a retest of the 618, which made me have even more confidence in this trade. So since we had that right there, what I'm gonna do at this point up here as my stop loss. I don't even gotta do that. Hold up. At this point up here is our stop loss. We did have our take profit down at the 272 level. Yeah. So letting this play out, of course, as y'all can see, we did get downside. We had a little bit pullback, but then we actually got that flush to break Monday's previous lows. So since we did break the new lows, we got Tuesday new lows as well. It didn't hit the full 272 as you can see, but I did get out the trade a little bit early, so I probably got out around this point right here. And the reason why I did get out is just because the fact of $3,000 I was cool with. And yes, I could have moved my stop loss down or anything like that, but I want that big chunky price. So since I got that big chunky price, I was happy with the profits. As soon as it did come that back down to the 272 level, as you can see, we did get a little push up. Um, and which is currently playing out at this time right now, as you can see right there. So, and as you can see right here though, since we did get this entry around the 618 level and riding back down to the 272 level, and look at this right here. So basically with this right here, it was a 8-to-1 risk to reward. So I was risking 35 points to make 292 points, which of course, as you know, that is a great trading day. Not every day going to be like this in the market. Some days we might only have a 2-to-1, some days we might have a 3-to-1, some days maybe break even, some days might even be a loss. So nobody trading is going to be perfect, but as long as you have more winners than your losses, that's all that matters in this game. But as you can see right here, this is still playing out. So coming into tomorrow, there's a few things that possibly could happen. What I'm gonna do for y'all is actually zoom out. So right here, what the, there we go. So as y'all can see, we've been trading in this channel to the downside since February 21st. It is currently March 11th. So for basically a whole month, we've been trading in this channel. And I know a lot of great traders, what they're doing when they see this channel form, one thing they're doing is buying at the lows, selling at the highs, buying at the lows, selling at the highs, and repeat. And today, a cool thing that I realized after actually taking the trades and everything, doing a little recap, as you can see yesterday, which was Monday, we actually broke out of this channel, came back up, basically retested it today for another pushback down, and now it look like we're actually trying to recover right here to break up, maybe break up to this level up here before we see more downside. Different ways you can look at the market though, but that's basically it for y'all. I said I was gonna keep it brief, very simple for y'all. If we zoom out once again, right here, here's the profit for the day. Now if we go to this, hold up, I got y'all. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. So this is all the trades for the day. So in total, losing trades is $651. The total profit was $3,723. So all in all, we was able to end the day $3,072. Today's win versus losses is a 50 to 50%. We got P&L history. Y'all can read over all of that. Then we have the trades right here. So I took non-contracts with those non-contracts. If you do the math real quick, so we got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these was all the profits for those, and that's it for the day. It's like always. I appreciate y'all for like, comment, subscribe, and just showing love to the video. If you got any knowledge, please drop a like, comment, subscribe, and look. Do one thing for me before this night end, before this day end, whatever time frame you're looking at right now. Do one thing for me is start journaling your trades and think about what you actually want to do in life. Do them two things for me. Keep on working hard to whatever you got going on. We love y'all and we out.